I've got the Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 right here, and today I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot your basic Bluetooth connectivity type of issues. Whether you have successfully connected that Bluetooth device in the past and it just stopped working all of a sudden, perhaps after an over-the-air update or maybe after a reboot, or maybe you just haven't been able to get your Bluetooth device to pair with the Redmi Note 8, the Redmi Note 8T, or the Redmi Note 8 Pro, then these couple of troubleshooting steps may get you going on the right steps without having to do a factory reset, which is one of the many troubleshooting steps that you can do. So what we're going to do first, we're going to go into the settings application, and then we're going to scroll down a little bit until you see the apps section. We're going to go in there, and then we're going to tap on the manage apps option. So by default, it's not going to be listing your system applications. So from here we can tap on the three dot icon, and then we can tap on the show all apps option. And then basically we can just sort by app name if you need to. We're going to look for the Bluetooth application. So Bluetooth on your device is hardware, but it's actually controlled by an application that we typically access and control from either the settings or our quick settings tile. But we can go into this application just like any regular application, and we can wipe the cache and the data for the Bluetooth application, the application that controls what devices, what Bluetooth devices are going to be paired with the Xiaomi Redmi Note 8. So once we go into the Bluetooth application, we can tap on storage, and now we have a big clear data button at the bottom. So just like on previous tutorials that I've done on clearing application cache and data, we're going to just tap on this clear data button, and it's going to give us the option of if we want to clear the cache or clear all of data. You could probably just go ahead and tap clear all of data. Personally, I like to clear the cache first, and then I will clear all data, which is that user data. It's going to reset to 0. That's going to turn off our Bluetooth share. It's going to turn it back on, and then you're going to see that user data and cache data has been rebuilt. So this is going to delete any paired devices you have saved on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 smartphone. And while that does suck, it's something that we need to do so that we can start from scratch. Now you can go into the Bluetooth section and pair your device. Another option that we can do is go into the settings application. Then we can tap on the connection and sharing option right here. Then at the bottom, you're going to see an option labeled Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Networks, and Bluetooth. So similar to how we reset Bluetooth before, this feature that has been built into Android for a little while now gives us the option to reset Bluetooth as well as mobile data and Wi-Fi. And I recommend doing this second because this will basically do what we did with Bluetooth, but it's going to do it to Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So if you are still unable to pair your Bluetooth device with the Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 after we have deleted that cache and data, then it's worth trying to go into here, reset all of our settings, and then just like that before, it's going to delete all our stuff, but it's also going to, like I said, delete our Wi-Fi. So you're going to want to add your Wi-Fi network as well as your Bluetooth devices if you can. And the last suggestion that I can really make is to perform a factory data reset. We can do that from the settings application. You can find that option in the About Phone section right here, and backup and reset. This is almost the last thing that we can do if you are unable to do, or if you are unable to connect your device even after you've done this factory reset. Then the last thing I can recommend is that you manually flash Xiaomi's firmware images to the device with Fast Boot or Mi Flash, the Mi Flash tool. That's going to require an unlocked bootloader, which I'm going to show you how to do in a future tutorial. But that is really the last thing that you can do. Based on the comments that I've seen on videos, these first two options fix about 75% of people's Bluetooth connection issues. So those are the first two things that I recommend trying to do.